Some reward games let players redeem PayPal cash without waiting for a large minimum balance, which makes them different from apps that require you to collect points for weeks before cashing out. By the end of this video, you'll know 5 game apps that offer PayPal rewards, how their payment systems work, and what to check before spending your time playing. First is Misplay. Misplay rewards users for playing mobile games through its app. Instead of paying directly for every minute played, it uses a point system where players earn units by trying supported games and completing activities. If you're using Misplay, check the available games regularly, because the earning options depend on what titles are currently available in the app. Second is Cash Giraffe. This app lets users earn rewards by playing mobile games and collecting points through gameplay activity. The main advantage is that you can discover new games while working toward rewards. Before installing any game, check the reward details so you know how points are earned and what actions count toward your balance. Third is Just Play. Just Play focuses on short gaming sessions and rewards users based on activity inside the app. The app is designed for people who want to play casually rather than commit hours to a single game. Open the app frequently, because available earning opportunities can change over time. Fourth is Rewarded Play. This platform combines mobile gaming with a reward system where users earn points from supported games. The process usually involves selecting games through the platform, completing eligible activities, and exchanging points for available rewards. Read the redemption options before you start so you know which rewards match your preferences. Fifth is Swagbucks. Gamesday. Swagbucks offers multiple ways to earn rewards, including certain gaming activities. The benefit is that gaming is only one part of the platform, so users can combine different earning methods if they want more options. The key thing with PayPal game apps is understanding that no minimum threshold claims can vary by platform, region, and reward option. Always check the current redemption rules inside the app before spending time earning points. To get better results, start with 1 or 2 apps, test how quickly you reach your first reward, and remove the ones that take too long for the amount of time you spend. The 3 things to remember are: choose games with clear reward systems, check payout rules before playing, and focus on apps that match your available free time. If this helped you find better game reward apps, like the video and subscribe for more ways to earn online in 2026.